Hey guys! Today we bring you review of Osprey Porter 46 Backpack, a flexible carry-on travel bag. Osprey's Porter 46 Backpack is an ultra-durable and dependable travel backpack. The Porter 46 has twin front locking buckles and cushioned top and side carry handles for convenient handling. Additionally, the Porter 46 is available in a variety of unisex designs, with new styles dropping periodically. The Porter 46, like the Farpoint 40 backpack, has a ventilated, cushioned back panel and adjustable shoulder straps for a secure fit. As a result, the Porter 46 can be comfortably worn when fully loaded with travel gear. For additional support, the Osprey Porter 46 backpack is equipped with a stowaway shoulder harness and an adjustable hip belt. Offering a plethora of convenient storage options and stylish looks to match, the Osprey Porter 46 backpack is a standout travel pack. Carry-on compatible with convenient U-zip main compartment access. Hard-wearing exterior offers protection against wear and tear. Padded top and side grab handles. Compression straps can interfere with utility pocket access. Does not offer side water bottle storage. Back panel is padded but not breathable. Notably, it has a clear style and durability advantage and is better overall value for money. Let us know what you think about the Osprey Porter 46 backpack in the comments below. If you like it, so grab it now. Link in the description. If you buy from our provided link, you will get an extra discount. Go and get it.